This is a fish that can even go inside the mouths of other fish, yet they don't eat it. But why? Actually, this is the cleaner fish, which offers a cleaning service to various creatures in the ocean. It works just like a dentist.
This is how mother bird protect her child so amazingly. Mother is always mother. This is scary. This bird looks so amazing, but what bird is this? Comment if you know. This is so cinematic to see the dragon battle. This is how the crab clean their eyes. It's amazing, isn't it? Oarfish are the most mysterious of all the deep-sea fish, with no human use because they are so deep in the sea. The oarfish is a messenger of the sea god, according to Japanese legend.
Ho ho ho!
The common kestrel Falcotinunculus, also known as the European kestrel, Eurasian kestrel or Old World kestrel, is a species of predatory bird belonging to the kestrel group of the falcon family Falconidae.